Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you.
Hello kids, good morning to all of you.
Here is your Ruchika ma'am.
Here's your Anubha ma'am.
So kids, how are you all?
I hope you are fit, fine and cheerful.
Very nice kids. So kids, we all know how we'll start our day. We start our day by worshipping our God. For that, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, and we will start Namokar Mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ariyanam, Namo Vujjayanam, Namo Loe Savya Sahuram, Eso Panchadamokaro, Savya Pav Parasalo, Manglaram Cha Savesi, Paramam Havai Mangalam. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwarai. Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha, Tat Sarvitur Varenyam. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodaya. Okay, now slowly open your eyes, hands down. So mom, do we feel relaxed?
Yes ma'am.
Okay kids, so shall we start our day? Very good. Okay kids, now tell me what is the date today?
Today is 11th December 2020.
Today is 11th December 2020. And what is the day today?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. Okay kids, you all have to remember date and day every day. Okay? Okay kids, now do you remember what we have done in our previous class?
We learned about domestic animals.
Domestic animals, right? Domestic animals कौन से animals होते हैं?
Domestic animals वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं.
Okay, domestic animals वो animals होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं. और domestic animals को हम पालतू जानवर भी बोलते हैं. Right kids? Okay, last class में हमने कौन कौन से domestic animals करे थे? चलिए मैम के साथ रिवाइज करते हैं kids. Cow, buffalo, goat, and sheep. Okay kids, ये सारे domestic animals हमने किए थे ना. चलिए आज हम उनको वापस से रिवाइज करते हैं. अच्छे से सुनना है मैम को. ओके चलिए, so our first domestic animal is, look kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is a cow.
Okay, and cow को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
काऊ को हम हिंदी में गाय बोलते हैं.
Okay kids, and what is the baby of a cow called?
The baby of a cow is called calf.
काऊ के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
काऊ के बेबी को हम calf बोलते हैं.
Okay, and where does cow live?
Cow lives in a shed.
काऊ कहाँ पे रहती है?
Cow shed में रहती है.
And what is the sound of a cow?
Sound of a cow is moo moo.
Okay, काऊ की साउंड क्या होती है?
Cow की sound moo moo होती है.
Okay kids, and what does cow gives us? काऊ हमें क्या देती है?
Cow gives us milk.
Okay, काऊ हमें क्या देती है? Milk, जिससे पी के हम strong बन जाते हैं. Okay kids, so our next domestic animal is, look, which domestic animal is this?
This is a buffalo.
Okay, and buffalo को हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Buffalo को हिंदी में भैंस बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a buffalo called?
The baby of a buffalo is called calf.
ओके, बफलो के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
बफलो के बेबी को calf बोलते हैं.
And where does buffalo live?
Buffalo also lives in a shed.
ओके, बफलो कहाँ पे रहती है?
काऊ की तरह बफलो भी शेड में रहती है.
ओके, and what is the sound of a buffalo?
The sound of a buffalo is moo moo.
ओके, बफलो की साउंड क्या होती है?
बफलो की साउंड moo moo होती है.
And ma'am, what buffalo gives us?
Buffalo gives us milk.
ओके, बफलो हमें क्या देती है? मिल्क. ओके किड्स, and now our next domestic animal is, look at the picture, which domestic animal is this?
This is a goat.
This is a goat. अच्छा, goat को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हम?
गोट को हिंदी में बकरी बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a goat called?
The baby of a goat is called kid.
Okay, goat के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
गोट के बेबी को हम kid बोलते हैं.
And where does goat live?
Goat lives in a pen.
Okay, goat कहाँ पे रहती है?
गोट पेन में रहती है.
And what is the sound of a goat?
The sound of a goat is bleat.
Okay, kids, the sound of a goat is bleat. And ma'am, what goat gives us?
Like cow and buffalo, goat also gives us milk.
Okay, goat भी हमें milk देती है.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all milk-giving animals. Cow, buffalo, goat. ये सब हमें क्या देती हैं? Milk देती हैं. Okay, kids? Now, our next domestic animal is, look at the picture. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a sheep.
sheep को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Sheep को हम हिंदी में भेड़ बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a sheep called?
The baby of a sheep is called lamb.
Sheep के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Sheep के बेबी को हम lamb बोलते हैं.
And where does sheep live?
Sheep lives in a fold.
Sheep कहाँ पे रहती है?
Sheep fold में रहती है.
And what is the sound of a sheep?
Like goat, the sound of sheep is also bleat.
Okay, sheep की sound क्या होती है?
Sheep की sound bleat होती है.
And ma'am, what sheep gives us?
Sheep gives us wool.
Okay, sheep हमें wool देती है. Kids, wool क्या होता है? वूल मतलब ऊन. हम वुलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं ना विंटर में. हमारे जैकेट, स्वेटर्स, वो सब किससे बनते हैं? वूल से. और वो हमें कौन देता है? शीप. ओके किड्स, सो व्हाट आर दीज?
These are all domestic animals.
Okay, ma'am. Now let's sing some rhyme. Okay, kids, as our kids love to rhyme. Okay? ओके किड्स, बहुत अच्छे से मैम के साथ राइम सिंग करना है एंड विथ एक्शंस करना है. ओके,
You have to do actions as well.
सो पहले हम क्या बोलते हैं किड्स? टाइटल. मैम के साथ टाइटल बोलेंगे. द टाइटल ऑफ अ राइम इज ओल्ड मैकडोनल्ड. ओके किड्स, सो शैल वी स्टार्ट? 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a mew mew here, with a mew mew there. Here mew, there mew, everywhere mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow here, with a bow there. Here bow, there bow, everywhere bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, with a neigh-neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some oxen, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some oxen, E-I-E-I-O. With a mew-mew, with a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo here, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good kids, clapping. So, हमने enjoy की rhyme. Yes, हमें मजा आया ना rhyme करने में. Okay kids, अब हमने इस rhyme में कौन-कौन से animals सुने? चलिए किड्स, आज हम उन न्यू एनिमल्स के बारे में सीखेंगे. ओके किड्स, बहुत अच्छे से मैम के साथ सुनना है, देन मैम आपसे पूछेंगी. So our first animal is, look kids, which domestic animal is this? This is a cat. And cat को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
कैट को हम हिंदी में बिल्ली बोलते हैं.
And ma'am, what is the baby of a cat called?
The baby of a cat is called kitten.
Okay, cat के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
कैट के बेबी को किटन बोलते हैं.
And ma'am, what is the sound of a cat?
The sound of a cat is mew mew.
Okay, cat की sound क्या होती है?
कैट की साउंड mew mew होती है.
Now kids, let's listen to the sound of a cat. Okay kids, did you hear the sound? किसकी sound थी ये?
Cat की.
Right kids, cat की sound कैसे होती है? Mew mew. And ma'am, what cat likes to eat?
Cat likes to eat rats.
Okay, cat को क्या खाना पसंद होता है? Rat. हम देखते हैं ना, हमारे घर में cat आ जाती है और किसको पकड़ के ले जाती है? Rat को. And ma'am, what cat likes to drink?
Cat likes to drink milk.
Okay, cat को दूध पीना पसंद होता है. Very good. चलिए kids, वापस से मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a cat.
Okay, what is the baby of a cat called?
The baby of a cat is called kitten.
And what is the sound of a cat?
The sound of a cat is mew mew.
What cat likes to eat?
Cat likes to eat rats.
And what cat likes to drink?
Cat likes to drink
Milk. Okay, kids. Now, our next domestic animal is, look kids, look at the picture. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a dog.
This is a dog. Dog को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Dog को हम हिंदी में कुत्ता बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a dog called?
The baby of a dog is called puppy.
Dog के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Dog के बेबी को हम puppy बोलते हैं.
And where does dog live?
Dog lives in a kennel.
Dog कहाँ पे रहता है?
Dog kennel में रहता है.
And what is the sound of a dog?
The sound of a dog is bark.
Dog की sound क्या होती है?
Dog की sound bark होती है.
Okay, kids, now listen carefully. Let's listen to the sound of a dog. Okay, kids, did you hear? किसकी sound थी?
Dog की.
Right? ये dog की sound थी. And kids, do you know dog is a very faithful and loyal animal?
It It also guards our home.
वो हमारी घर की रखवाली करता है. कैसे रखवाली करता है? जब कोई स्ट्रेंजर हमारे घर पे आता है ना, तो डॉग उस पे बार्क करता है. अच्छा, स्ट्रेंजर कौन होते हैं? अजनबी, जिन्हें हम जानते नहीं है, राइट? तो जब डॉग उन पे बार्क करता है तो हमें पता चल जाता है. ऐसे डॉग हमारे लिए बहुत लॉयल होता है और हमारे घर की रखवाली भी करता है. ओके किड्स, चलिए जल्दी से मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a dog.
What is the baby of a dog called?
The baby of a dog is called puppy.
Where does dog live?
Dog lives in a kennel.
And what is the sound of a dog?
The sound of a dog is bark.
Okay kids, and dog is a very faithful and loyal animal. And it guards our home also. Okay kids. Now our next domestic animal is, look at the picture. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
Okay kids, horse को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Horse को हम हिंदी में घोड़ा बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a horse called?
The baby of a horse is called foal.
Horse के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Horse के बेबी को हम foal बोलते हैं.
And where does horse live?
Horse lives in a stable.
Horse कहाँ पे रहता है?
Horse stable में रहता है.
And what is the sound of a horse?
The sound of a horse is neigh.
Okay, horse की sound क्या होती है?
Horse की sound neigh होती है.
Now kids, listen carefully. The sound of a horse. Ooh, kids, did you hear? किसकी sound थी ये?
Horse की sound थी ना?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. And kids, do you know what is horse used for?
Horse is used for riding.
Okay. घोड़ा किस काम आता है?
घोड़ा सवारी करने के लिए काम आता है.
Okay. अच्छा, आप लोग हॉर्स राइडिंग करते हैं ना? मैम, आपने किया हॉर्स राइडिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, हमें बहुत मजा आता है. और हॉर्स कैसे चलता है? टिक टिक टिक, राइट? तो हॉर्स किस काम आता है? राइडिंग के. ओके किड्स, चलिए जल्दी से मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
What is the baby of a horse called?
The baby of a horse is called foal.
Where does horse live?
Horse lives in a stable.
And what is the sound of a
The
horse?
sound of a horse is neigh.
And what is horse used for?
Horse is used for
Riding. Okay kids, now our next domestic animal is, look at the picture kids. Which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
Okay, this is an ox. Ox को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Ox को हम हिंदी में बैल बोलते हैं.
And where does an ox live?
Like cow and buffalo, ox also lives in a shed.
Okay, ox कहाँ पे रहता है?
Ox shed में रहता है.
And what is the sound of an ox?
The sound of an ox is bellow.
Okay, और ox की sound क्या होती है?
Ox की sound bellow होती है.
Okay, now kids, listen to the sound of an ox carefully. Kids, did you hear? किसकी sound थी ये?
Ox की.
Right, ox की sound थी. And kids, do you know what is an ox used for?
Ox is used for plowing the field.
Okay, बैल किस काम आता है?
बैल हल जोतने के काम आता है.
Right kids, बैल हल जोतने के काम आता है. चलिए किड्स, मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे. Which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
Where does an ox live?
Ox lives in a shed.
What is the sound of an ox?
The sound of an ox is bellow.
And what is an ox used for?
Ox is used for plowing the field.
Okay kids, so what are these?
These are all domestic animals.
These are all domestic animals. राइट। डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स कौन से होते हैं? जिन्हें हम पालते हैं। ओके, सो आज हमने कौन कौन से डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स न्यू सीखे? कैट,
cat,
डॉग,
dog,
हॉर्स
horse,
एंड ऑक्स।
ox.
ओके किड्स, अब हम इनकी स्पेलिंग सीखेंगे। ओके, चलिए किड्स, मैम के साथ स्पीक करना है, राइट? सो आवर फर्स्ट डोमेस्टिक एनिमल इज कैट। ओके, स्पीक विथ मी। C
C,
A
A,
T
T,
CAT, cat.
CAT, cat.
C at cat.
C at cat.
Now, our next domestic animal is kids. Look. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is a dog. Which picture is this?
This is a dog.
Now, kids, speak with ma'am. D
D,
O
O,
G.
G,
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
Dog, dog.
Dog, dog.
Dog, dog.
Dog, dog.
Okay, kids, हमें स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करते जाने हैं अच्छे से, मैम के साथ स्पीक करना है. Now, our next domestic animal is, look. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
This is a horse. Now speak with me. H
H,
O
O,
R
R,
S
S,
E.
E.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
Kids, you all have to speak together. मैम के साथ साथ बोलना है, okay? Now, kids, our next domestic animal is, look at the picture. Which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
This is an ox. Now we will learn the spelling of ox.
O,
X.
X.
O-X, ox.
O-X, ox.
छोटी सी स्पेलिंग है ना, O-X, ox.
O-X, ox.
ओके किड्स, सो हमने स्पेलिंग्स भी लर्न कर ली और आज हमने कौन कौन से डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स किए, जल्दी से मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे. C-A-T, cat.
C-A-T, cat.
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
O-X, ox.
O-X, ox.
So kids, what are these?
These are all domestic animals.
डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स वो एनिमल्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं. सो हमें अच्छे से इन सारे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स को लर्न करना है विद स्पेलिंग्स. ओके किड्स, नाउ मैम, what we have done in English subject in our previous class?
We learned about the concept of this and that.
Okay, this and that. Ma'am, when do we use this?
We use this when an object, only one object, is near us.
Okay, this हम कब use करते हैं?
This हम तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, बस एक ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास होता है.
And when do we use that?
We use that when an object, only one object, is far away from us.
हम that कब use करते हैं?
That हम तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, बस एक ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर होता है.
Okay kids, so this हम कब use करते हैं? जब कोई one object हमसे पास में होता है, और that हम कब use करते हैं? जब कोई one object हमसे दूर होता है. Now kids, let's take some examples. अच्छे से देखना है आपको. Now kids, look, what is this?
This is a bat.
What is this?
This is a bat.
Okay ma'am, why do we use this here?
We have used this here because this is only one object and
Yes.
it's near us. That is
Okay.
why we have used this here.
Okay, now. अच्छा, हमने दिस यहाँ पे क्यों यूज किया है? बिकॉज ये सिर्फ वन ऑब्जेक्ट है और हमारे पास में है. दैट इज वाई वी हैव यूज्ड दिस.
This is a bat.
This is a bat. Okay, kids. Now, look. What is that? What is that? That is a bat. That is a bat. Why have we used that here? हमने यहाँ पे that क्यों use किया है? Because ये सिर्फ one object है और हमसे दूर है. That is why we have used here that. That is a bat. एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है ना और हमसे दूर है. That is why हमने क्या यूज किया है? That. Okay, kids? Now, kids, look. Which picture? What is this?
This is a tree.
What is this?
This is a tree.
Okay, kids. हमने यहाँ पे this क्यों यूज किया?
क्योंकि ये एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है ना और हमारे पास में है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे this यूज किया है.
Okay, kids. Now this is a tree.
This is a tree.
Okay, kids. Now look. What is that? That is a tree. That is a tree. अच्छा, हमने यहाँ पे that क्यों यूज किया? Because ये सिर्फ one object है और हमारे दूर है, right? That is why we have used here that. That is a tree. Okay, kids. हमें समझ में आया? जब कोई thing one object हमारे पास में था तो हमने this यूज किया. जब कोई वन ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे दूर था तो हमने क्या यूज किया? दैट. ओके किड्स? ओके, नाउ किड्स, आज हमने क्या सीखा? वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स एंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस एंड दैट. अच्छे से समझ में आया आपको डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स एंड कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस एंड दैट? Okay, now ma'am is going to ask you a few questions. So are you all ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now, kids. Yes, kids. Quickly, tell me.
What is this? Who is going to answer? Kindly raise your hand. Manya, kindly unmute yourself.
This is house.
This is a house.
Very
Clapping
good.
for Manya. Very good.
Second करो.
Okay, now kids, tell me. अच्छे से देखना है आपको and answer correctly देना है, okay? Now tell me, kids, what is that? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand. What is that? Yes, Preksha, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Preksha. Yes, what is that?
That is a
That is a
baby.
baby. Very good. That is a baby. Very good, kids. Okay. Now tell me, what is that? Yes, who is going to answer? Raise your hands. What is that? Yes, Jatin, unmute yourself.
The dog.
That is a clock. That is a clock.
That is a dog.
That is a clock. Very good, Jatin. Very good. Okay. Now, kids. Now, tell me, what is this?
Who is going to answer? Raise your hand. Devansh, kindly unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. What is this?
Mug.
This is a
Mug.
पूरा बोलिए. This is a.
Mug.
Be complete sentence, beta.
This is a
This is a
mug.
mug.
This is a mug. Very good. Clap
Very
for yourself.
good. Okay, kids. Now look. Oh wow, what is this? Yes, who is going to answer? Raise your hands. Alokik, unmute yourself.
It is a train.
This is a train. Very good, Alokik. Okay, now kids. Look. Okay, what is that? What is that? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Drona, unmute yourself.
But it's a bottle. But it's a
Very good. That is a bottle. Okay, very good, Drona. अच्छा, इसका मतलब आप सबको तो अच्छे से समझ में आ गया this or that, right? अच्छा. Next questions मैम पूछे आपसे. Okay.
Okay. Who is going to answer? Which animal is this? Yes, raise your hand. Which animal is this? Nehan, kindly unmute yourself. Nehan, which animal is this? Speak loudly.
Nihan, speak loudly. You're not audible. This is a cat. Very good.
Clap for yourself.
Okay. Now let's take another domestic animal. Okay, kids. Now look, which domestic animal is this? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Kunal, unmute yourself.
This is a cow.
This is a cow.
Okay, very good, Kunal. This is a cow. Okay. Next question.
What is the sound of dog? Who is going to answer? Kindly raise your hand. Tanmay, kindly unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, quick.
What is the sound of dog? Anyone else?
Yes, Tanmay, unmute yourself.
Bow, bow. बोलती है bow.
Yes.
Okay. Now, kids, who is going to tell me cow हमें क्या देती है? जल्दी से बताएंगे मैम को. What cow gives us? Yes, Sambhav, unmute yourself.
Hundred. Bowl.
Yes, Sambhav.
Milk. Cow milk. Cow give milk.
Very good. Cow gives milk. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, who is going to tell ma'am what is the sound of a cat? Raise your hands. Yes, Tupil, unmute yourself. What is the sound of a cat? Meow.
Meow.
Okay, very good. Okay, kids. Now, who is going to tell?
गोट को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand. Come on. Manan, kindly unmute yourself. Mananjot, please unmute yourself.
Bakri.
गोट को हम हिंदी में बकरी बोलते हैं. Very good. Clap for yourself.
Okay. Now, kids, Who is going to tell me what sheep gives us? हमें sheep क्या देती है? Raise your hands. Yes, Manya, unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Good morning, Manya.
Wool.
Wool, very good. Clap for yourself. Okay, okay. Now tell me. Okay, goat हमें क्या देती है? Raise your hands. Yes, Devansh, unmute yourself.
क्या देती है? Goat.
Milk.
Goat हमें milk देती है. Very good. Okay.
Yes. Ox को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Yes, kids. Who is going to answer? Yes, Kunal, unmute yourself.
बोलो बोलो क्या बोलते हैं? जोर से बोलो. Horse.
Heart.
घोड़ा.
Heart.
Ox को बेटा ox. Which animal
Ox.
is this? This is an ox.
Bell.
Bed.
Bell. Very good.
Clap for yourself.
Okay, kids. Now is going to tell me which animal is this? Raise your hands. Yes, quickly. Yes, Preksha, unmute yourself. Good morning.
This is a horse.
This is a horse. Very good,
Very
Preksha.
good. Okay, now who is going to tell me how many legs does a buffalo have?
Yes, quickly, quickly. Raise your hands.
Drona, kindly unmute yourself.
Four legs.
4 legs.
Yes.
Very good,
You have to
kids.
speak full sentence. Buffalo has 4 legs.
ओके अच्छा मैम, इसका मतलब तुम्हारे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स एंड कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस एंड दैट. चलिए किड्स, मैम के साथ जल्दी से रिवाइज करेंगे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. मैम के साथ बोलेंगे कैट,
Cat,
डॉग,
dog,
हॉर्स,
horse,
ऑक्स.
ox.
आज हमने ये न्यू डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स करे थे ना, सो हमें बहुत अच्छे से रिवाइज करने हैं एंड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस एंड दैट. अच्छा मैम, हम दिस कब यूज करते हैं?
We use this when an object, only one object is near us.
ओके, दिस हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब कोई वन ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास में होता है. एंड व्हेन डू वी यूज दैट?
We use that when an object, only one object is far away from us.
दैट हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, सिर्फ वन ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर होता है, तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? दैट. ओके किड्स, अच्छा ये हमारी कौन सी क्लासेस चल रही है?
Live classes.
ओके, आप अपनी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस अपने स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जो लिंक शेयर है उस पे जाके, या अपने स्कूल के यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी जाके देख सकते हैं, और उसको लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब भी करना है फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स. Till then, bye bye kids. Take care.